What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing my one stick rappel kit from Hang Free. If y'all don't know them, they specialize in a lot of saddle hunting gear. It is unopened, so let's make it opened. Almost got myself there. Pretty good, seems like good packaging so far. Oh wow, see they gave me a keychain with my order and a sticker, it looks like. It's pretty cool. So in this order I have 40 feet of their ghost rope. Let's set this down. 40 feet of their ghost climbing rope. It's got a sewn end on it. You can see there. They got their logo and the ratings and all that on it. So 40 feet of this. Ghost is the color. I have got a Amsteel one stick cam cleat rope. Just goes around my one stick, goes around the tree. It's 3/16 Amsteel. In here, I have my Madrock Safeguard, a Madrock backup to, you put your knot in the Madrock, slide it down. 40 feet of the black rope is 40 feet of pull down rope or pull up rope. You get a carabiner. I guess that's not really a carabiner, it's the screw-on carabiners, whatever they're called. Your Madrock, and then two climbing graded carabiners. I know you can't really see that in here. Let me just open it up for y'all. Probably be a little bit smarter to do it that way. Alright, two climbing graded carabiners. $40 feet of pull down rope to pull your climbing rope down. Your backup for your Madrock. I cannot remember the name of the knot for the life of me. If I wasn't making this video, I'd remember it. Your Madrock, which this is a 9mm rope, so this is a 9mm Madrock. And then your quick link, that's what they're called. Just standard quick link. Oh yeah, see, I also got two of these gear ties to put on the top of my saddle stick to pull it up, my one stick. But yeah, so let me lay it all out so y'all can get a better look at it all. So I got my quick link, pull down rope, climbing rope, two carabiners, they're Madrock carabiners, the stick and platform attachment rope, my backup rope, my Madrock, my gear ties, and then they sent me this keychain and sticker. So I appreciate that, Hang Free. Y'all hooked it up. This wasn't a sponsor, I bought it from them, but it's cool for them to send the sticker and all that. Anyways, so that was my unboxing.